Today we want to look at the meal plan in our Dayview calendar. To get there, we are going to click on the calendar in our menu and we click on the tab Meals. This overview shows us the meals booked for the period we selected. We can view a maximum of 31 days at once. There are different types of displays available to us, such as total or detail. The meal plan is divided into columns such as date and match code and reservation number. In the column type, the different special meal types are indicated like vegetarian, vegan, no pork, gluten allergy, etc. The different type of meals such as breakfast, morning or coffee break, lunch, afternoon and evening are subdivided into individual columns in which the respective number of meals booked per day is always displayed. We already know this from the meal tab in our reservation form. The memo field is filled by information in the reservation. In the default view setting, we always see all reservations summarized by the guest types. However, if we want to have each individual reservation listed, we click on the button G and select all guest types in detail. Now we will see each reservation individually. By clicking on the match code, the guest's name, we can call up the reservation. If we need only the actual total number per meal type and per reservation, without the special meal types, we click on the button D and select No Meal Types. Now we will see only the total numbers. With the button L, we can limit the view a bit further. This can help us in the advanced planning for the kitchen or also the staff. If we click on the button L and select only some date, we will get the totals per meal per day. If we click on the button L again and select grand total, we get the total number of meals for the entire period selected.